Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching how to make this beautiful crochet flowers. So for that I have taken some yarn, a red yarn and some pink yarn, a crochet hook. The hook must be compatible with your yarn size. You can take any size of yarn. The hook must be compatible with that yarn. And then a big eye needle for final finishings, a stitch marker and a scissor. So we will start now. We will start with the red yarn. You have to wrap the yarn around your finger like this 12 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then slowly insert the hook underneath the loops and take the whole bun outside. And now make a slip knot like this. Now we will single crochet around this just like this. And now we will slip stitch into the first chain here. And again we will continue the same. Place my stitch marker here so that I can distinguish. And keep repeating the same thing around. I'll remove my stitch marker and slip stitch in the chain gap. And now we will change the color. And we will chain 4, and then wrap the yarn around your needle 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to wrap it loosely so that while pulling the yarn outside from all the 10 loops, it will be easier for you. Bring the yarn out from all the 10 loops and then lock it. Again, you have to wrap it 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert the hook in the next chain gap. Bring the yarn out and pull the yarn through the loops and then lock it like this. I'll show it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then slowly insert it in the next chain gap and bring the yarn and then yarn over and pull through all the loops and then lock. We will repeat the same around, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm almost at the end of my row. I'll show it again. Wrap it around your hook 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now slowly insert the hook in the chain gap, yarn over and bring the yarn out. Now again yarn over and pull through all the 10 loops like this and then lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After wrapping it 10 times, insert the hook in the next chain gap, yarn over, bring the yarn outside, and then yarn over and pull through all the 10 loops and then lock it. And now we have finished the entire petal, so I will slip stitch here. And now we will continue with the red color yarn. One, two, three. Chain 3 and lock it here between the petals. It is the slip stitch. Again, chain 3 and lock it here. Lock it with the slip stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch. I'll continue it and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of this row, so chain 2, 3, and lock it with a slip knot, and then 1, 2, 3, so lock it with a slip knot, and this is how it looks. And now we will chain 1 and cut our yarn. We will just weave the tail, and this is how your flower will look like. And this is how the finished flower will look like.